5 fruits to avoid for weight loss and what to eat instead. Are you trying to lose weight but struggling to see results? You might be eating the wrong fruits. While fruits are generally healthy, some contain high sugar and calorie levels that can slow down your progress. In today's video, I'll reveal 5 fruits you should avoid if you're trying to lose weight and what to eat instead. Mango. First on our list, mangoes. Now don't get me wrong, mangoes are delicious and packed with vitamins A and C, but they are also high in natural sugars. A single mango can contain up to 45 grams of sugar, which can spike your blood sugar levels and promote fat storage if consumed in excess. If you're aiming for weight loss, try replacing mangoes with berries, such as strawberries or raspberries. These are lower in sugar and packed with fiber, which helps keep you full longer. Grapes. Next up, we have grapes. They may seem like the perfect healthy snack, but did you know they are loaded with fructose? Just 1 cup of grapes contains around 23 grams of sugar. Since grapes are small, it's easy to overeat them, leading to excess calorie intake. Instead, opt for green apples, which are lower in sugar and high in fiber, keeping you satisfied longer without the sugar crash. Bananas. Bananas are a favorite for many, especially as a quick pre-workout snack. But for those looking to shed pounds, bananas may not be the best option. A medium banana contains about 14 grams of sugar and 27 grams of carbohydrates, which can hinder fat burning if you're not active. Instead, consider eating a handful of almonds or a boiled egg, both of which provide protein and healthy fats without spiking your blood sugar. Pineapple. Pineapple is another tropical fruit loaded with sugar. 1 cup of pineapple chunks contains around 16 grams of sugar. Although it's rich in vitamin C and enzymes that aid digestion, its high glycemic index can lead to rapid blood sugar spikes. A great alternative? Cucumber slices with lemon. They provide hydration and essential nutrients without unnecessary sugar. Dates. Last on our list, dates. Often used as a natural sweetener, dates are one of the highest sugar fruits. Just 2 small dates contain around 30 grams of sugar. They're great for energy boosts, but not ideal if weight loss is your goal. Instead, try snacking on chia seed pudding or unsweetened Greek yogurt for a lower-calorie, protein-packed option. Here's a surprising tip. Portion control is key. Even low-sugar fruits can contribute to weight gain if you eat too much. Stick to 1 serving at a time and balance your fruit intake with proteins and healthy fats to keep your blood sugar stable. So there you have it. 5 fruits to avoid if you're trying to lose weight, and healthier alternatives to keep you on track. Did any of these surprise you? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips on healthy living.